Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the notifications on the Township application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. And click to the settings icon at the upper left corner of the screen. Here go to the notifications button, and here you can select the notifications type, and if you want to disable one, just select one and click the next circle icon and on. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.